What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications, give this video a like. Today we got an unboxing for some clippers that we got from over the pond. I'm pretty sure you've seen the thumbnail, so you already know we're unboxing, but here it is, the Pissed Off Barber Phantom Pack. So we're gonna take a look inside this box and see what we got.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so I'm not gonna front. I got these and I put them to work as soon as I got them. I just haven't had a chance to film the unboxing video. But here you go, it's the Pissed Off Barber Phantom. There's not 3 clippers, there's actually 1 clipper. These are just 2 different face plates. We have a charging dock. But as you can see, it does have some resemblance of a certain clipper that I'm pretty sure everybody's aware of. But we got the Pissed Off Barber there, Phantom, and the magnetized closed type box here. So inside the box, we got more information. We got the XO-DLC Black Diamond Fade / Taper combination blade. So it's like a vapor blade. And I'll show you guys that blade there. But you can see here, we have the 2 different face plates. It did come like it does in the box, all blue, all black with the clear coat. But I had to customize it. And like I said, I've already used these. So I had to customize it with the blue with the clear lid. I'm digging that. But like I said, it has the vapor, the fade, taper blade combination. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really digging this blade. I've used something similar before, has the click lever. I really dig that. The blade does open up quite a bit, as you can see there. Inside the box, we have the face plates, like I said. We also have the charging dock, which is a nice touch. Not all clipper companies provide those, so that's a good touch. Like I said, I've been using these, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this plastic piece off and show you guys what's inside that right there. So underneath the little plastic piece, of course, you have your clipper information, how to use, how to change blades, how to adjust cutting length, all that. So basically tell you how to zero gap, how to take care of your tools. So you got a screwdriver, of course. You have to have that. Comes with your standard oil, some replacement screws for the levers. There's a black lever, there's a pink lever. I have the black lever on my actual clipper right now, but there's a blue lever in there, a brush to apply the oil and clean your clippers, and also another cam follower in there. Also, you have your guards. I believe the guards that comes with are the includes 5 magnetic guards: the 0 guard, the 1 guard, the 2 guard, 3 guard, and the 4 guard. So those are a single magnet guard. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I haven't used the guards per se, but I mean, they look pretty sturdy magnets. You know, like a wall guard with a magnet on it. These clippers can use the Babyliss guards. They can use the Stylecraft double magnets, which I use. They can use the wall guards premium or the OG plastic ones. But also we have a charging cord in here. So my suggestion, if you are in the US, you need to get an adapter that can convert this to a US plug. Or if you have a old Stylecraft Ergo or Gamma Plus Ergo X Ergo cord, those work as well. So you can use those on these clippers as well. Let's read the box here. So on the back here, it says, the Pissed Off Barber Phantom Interchangeable Body Kits, allowing the creation of 9 different colorways. As you can see there, 9 different colorways. It says interchangeable click lever with 3 color choices and 5 length settings. Super powered long life motor, which runs at 10,000 strokes per minute, whilst still offering 2.5 hours of continuous wireless runtime. XO combination Black Diamond carbon blade stays cooler and rust free, mixing the taper and fade technologies into one blade. Includes 5 magnetic guards, which I read, ergonomically designed to have a balanced weight and comfortable use whilst still offering low noise level and superior performance. Mini screwdriver included for custom body modifications and blade adjustments. So if you want to go cop these clippers, first off, I'm going to say this is a definite cop. I've used these, I've had these clippers for a week now, and I've used them for a week, and they are the only clippers that I've picked up. And I'm not saying this just because, you know, I'm reviewing these clippers. these clippers are actually very great. They blend well. The blade, I like how it opens up. I love the click lever. I love the ability for the clipper to eat through bulk. And overall, it's just a great clipper. I love the blue colorway that it has. But if you want to cop these, go to thepissedoffbarber.com. Go use my code Jayblends to go save you on shipping, because shipping from international shipping is a bit much. So go save you some money. Use my code Jayblends, get free shipping, and definitely cop these clippers. I'm about to use them right now on another client that's about to come in. But you can see there, I'm gonna let y'all hear it. It's a very low hum sound, very powerful clipper. Like I said, go cop the clipper, you won't be disappointed. And I'm gonna get to these cuts today, but I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and hopefully I have a tutorial for y'all soon with this clipper, and let y'all see what it works like. But other than that, that'll do it for this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Give this video a like, follow me on Instagram at Jayblends_. Also, go follow the Pissed Off Barber on Instagram at the Pissed Off Barber. Hilarious memes. But I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button. We got more content coming. At least one video a week for everybody that has to have that constant content. But I appreciate everybody's support. Until next time, God bless. And I totally forgot to mention the price point for the clippers is 109 euros. So I believe that equates to like maybe 105 to 115 US dollars, which is not bad for the clipper. Like honestly, to pay that price for the performance that it puts out, it is a definite cop. There's really no question about it. Like I said though, go use that code Jayblends at thepissedoffbarber.com. Save you some money on shipping and cop the clipper. Peace.
On the track.